Hey there, financial adventurers. Welcome back to Finance Flex. Today we're diving deep into the world of wealth building 15 rules of money for lasting wealth. If you're ready to take control of your financial destiny, smash that like button and let's get started. Rule 1. Set clear financial goals. Picture this. You're embarking on a road trip without a destination. Sounds chaotic, right? The same goes for your finances. Start by setting clear, achievable financial goals. Whether it's buying a home, retiring early, or starting a business, having goals keeps you focused and motivated. Rule 2. Create a budget that works. Budgeting isn't about restrictions, it's about empowerment. Learn how to track your income and expenses, and allocate your money wisely. A well-crafted budget is your financial compass, steering you away from debt and towards prosperity. Rule 3. Live below your means. Living within your means might not be glamorous, but it's a cornerstone of wealth creation. Avoid the keeping up with the Joneses trap and prioritize saving and investing over flashy expenditures. Rule 4. Debt management. Debt can be a double-edged sword. We'll explore good versus bad debt, how to tackle high-interest debt, and strategies to minimize its impact on your financial journey. Rule 5. Emergency fund. Life's full of surprises, some pleasant and others not so much. An emergency fund acts as your financial safety net, allowing you to navigate unexpected situations without derailing your progress. Rule 6. Invest wisely. Investing is like planting seeds that grow into trees of wealth. We'll cover stocks, bonds, real estate, and other investment avenues. Remember, patience is key. Wealth isn't built overnight. Rule 7. Diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your investments spreads risk and increases your chances of consistent returns. Learn how to create a diversified portfolio that stands the test of time. Rule 8. Continuous learning. The financial world is ever evolving. Educate yourself about personal finance, investment strategies, and economic trends. Knowledge is the currency that pays the best interest. Rule 9. Negotiation skills. Negotiation isn't just for buying cars. It's a powerful tool in everyday life. Learn how to negotiate your salary, bills, and other expenses to keep more money in your pocket. Rule 10. Multiple streams of income. Relying solely on a 9-to-5 job can be risky. Explore side hustles, freelance work, or passive income streams to increase your earning potential and build resilience. Rule 11. Tax efficiency. Understanding the tax game can save you thousands. Discover legal strategies to minimize your tax liability and keep more of your hard-earned money. Rule 12. Long-term thinking. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is wealth. Adopt a long-term mindset when making financial decisions. Delayed gratification today leads to a brighter tomorrow. Rule 13. Giving back. Generosity breeds abundance, whether it's through charitable giving or supporting causes you're passionate about. Contributing to others' well-being brings fulfillment and positive energy into your financial life. Rule 14. Protect your wealth. Insurance and estate planning may not be the sexiest topics, but they're essential. Safeguard your wealth and your family's future by preparing for the unexpected. Rule 15. Review and adjust. Financial strategies aren't set in stone. Regularly review your goals, investments, and overall financial plan. Adjust as needed to stay aligned with your evolving aspirations. Congratulations, financial trailblazers! You've just unlocked the secrets to mastering your finances and creating lasting wealth. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is your financial empire. Implement these 15 rules, stay disciplined, and watch your dreams transform into reality. If you found this guide helpful, hit that subscribe button and share it with your fellow adventurers. Until next time, stay financially empowered.